welcome to Rua do Cunha. It's a Portuguese name and it means Cunha Street. It is a narrow but bustling pedestrian street in the heart of Taipa village. So our first stop is Fonggay Bakery. They have been here for over a century. If you come, you can buy their very famous almond biscuits, abalone puff, and also meat puff pastry, and also chicken biscuits. So today I will going to visit their factory and show you how they're going to make their biscuits.
即係由我爺爺開始至到現在咧，即到而家到我兒子咧第4代啦，都係嗰條街度。綁記個餅家嘅來源咧，個名咧，鋪頭個名咧就係我爺爺個名嚟嘅。因為我爺爺叫做高仿。以前就即係人流就冇咁多。自從回歸咗之後咧，政府個旅遊局咧就大力推廣本地旅遊啦，變咗就多咗好多外國嘅人，東南亞、歐美啲人就嚟澳門。嗱，嗰隻餅咧就叫做肉切酥啦，佢本身咧就係南乳製造嘅，係我阿爺爺傳落嚟嘅，係我哋始創經過改良之後咧，就比以前就冇咁肥啦，即係所謂咁油膩。
Now I'm at Fonggay Cafe, which is famous for its signature clay pot coffee. I just tried it. It's incredibly smooth and has a depth of flavor. It's just perfect.
Our whole team wants to give out what the old Macau vibe to, because now here is a tourist area, and we want the tourists that come into Macau to know what old Macau is like. And even our food and everything is from the original taste, like our milk tea, our coffee. Before returning to mainland, we only sell around like 100 bottles a day, and then now we sell over 1,000 plus. So there's a big difference.
花生酱多士，我觉得很好吃，所以我每次来都会点。咖喱类像咖喱牛腩面啊，一些什么咖喱牛杂小吃啊，我都觉得蛮喜欢的。
The place is very nice, like the streets, the buildings, and for now I only tried the egg tart, which is very good, so that's nice.